guys that you guys didn't even know you deserved, okay? There's no way that she actually even showed up.
I've seen you like 2 years.
There's no way.
No, and I had to cancel it again. I was like, there's no way I'm canceling again.
Guys,
I'm excited for today.
a treat. Alejandra,
2 years, guys.
what? It's been like 2 years. Stay tuned. So I told you I had a treat shooting Alejandra. I'm gonna be doing a 3-light setup for the first look. I'm gonna use the GVM as the key. It's like a 500. And then we got 2 NAND lights on the side, 500s. So we got a lot of power. We're gonna shoot constant because I'm gonna be doing video also. So I don't wanna be switching between constant and flash. All right, guys, listen. I told you I had a treat for you, and I do. Shooting with Alejandra. She came out of retirement just for me, okay? So we're gonna be doing a studio shoot right now. I got 1, 2, 3 lights set up. No, sorry, 4 lights set up. I got 2 over here hidden in the background. Gonna show you guys something different. I usually do 3 lights. Today I'm gonna do 4 because Alejandra came here and she's a star. And I might be gonna talk too much because she might run away again. It's been 2 years, guys. 2 years, so.
And I canceled twice.
Yes, she did. She's right. She's canceled twice, but it's all good. She's here now. Exactly. Let's kill this. There's no reason to be nervous. Okay, and then also you have the jacket and you have the straps that you can use as like, and you have the shirt too that you can use. Then the jeans also. You're chilling, you're a pro. You're like Michael Jordan coming back out of retirement. 2 and 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Let's get some full body. And then when you're doing that, when you're looking at the mirror, always glance back. See how you look, and then glance back. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes. Do that one more time and kind of just like get even more lazy. Exactly. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. Do that and then bring the eyes here. Yep. Perfect. And then look over this way. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Back like she never left. And 1. Perfect. There we go. Yes, very loungy. Yep, just like that. And then you can keep looking that way. Perfect. 1, grabbing the shirt, just like that. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Switch up the angle. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I'm gonna have you bring your body this way. Yep. 1, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. And then eyes here. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Do that same thing and then bring your right shoulder a little bit more towards me. Right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then exactly. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then let me show you something real quick. Just so you know, you still got it, okay?
Oh my god.
You're killing it so far.
Oh, I like those.
2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yes, eyes here. That's sick. Let's get one close. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. That's sick. Hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then just bring the eyes to the camera. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Move it back a little bit. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect right there. And 1. Perfect. Yes. And you can just keep flowing. Yes. Snap it. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. These are sick. And then do one with the 1. And then I'll have you look this way. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna move to 1. Perfect. You still got it. Come on, flowing. I don't even gotta tell her nothing. You guys see that? I'm not saying a thing. And she's just flowing. This is what it's like working with a model that knows what they're doing. Alright? Hey, okay, and she's hitting the moves of SpongeBob. Alright, I like it, I like it. 2 and 1. Perfect. Yes. Exactly. Kind of like bad girl, office vibes. It's still like loungy, but fierce at the same time. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Then do that same thing like that and then look at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then one more right at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then 2, yes, 1. Even more like lounging. Exactly. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Switch it up. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Perfect. And then perfect. Yeah, these are sick. This is what I'm talking about right here. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Chin up just a little bit. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. Let me see if I can get back here really quick. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Keep flowing. Perfect. There we go. Yes, right there. Sick. Yeah, lean forward. That looks perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Sick. Yes. Hold that. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Same thing, and then look that way. Yes, like that. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3. Yes. Alright guys, like I said, I promised you a treat. I gave it to you. I'm like Father Christmas, alright? I'm Santa Claus. What is today? Today is the 23rd. 23rd. Yeah. 23rd. We both forgot.
I'm telling you, I really don't do it on purpose.
Today's the 23rd. Christmas is a little bit earlier, alright? Even though you probably won't see this until maybe a week or two, because I'm not editing this tonight. But Alejandra killed it. She came out of retirement. We appreciate you for coming back like we never left. And we'll see if we can catch her again within the next year, okay?
I need some practice. I feel a little bit stiff today, but
You guys be the judge. Let us know down in the comments. I think she killed it. You let me know. I'll put her Instagram, even though... I'll put her Instagram. I'll put her Instagram.
my TikTok.
I'll put her TikTok, exactly. Go follow her on TikTok right now, blow her up, and make sure she comes back. And not another 2 years, because in 2 years, who knows where we'll be, all right? But appreciate you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Good job.